Assalamu alaikum guys, this is Muhammad Faisal again with a new video SAP as for Hana Materials Management. Uh, this is a materials management case that we are going to make a video today. Most probably this video will be divided also in two parts. So first part we will see how much we can cover in it. These are the steps that we have to complete in materials management case. All these steps are there. I can show you as a list as well. Here is the list. These are the steps that we are going to perform. So let's go and start the video. And if you like the video, please like it, share it, subscribe my channel. My channel name is Harkat Mein Hai Barkal. So let's start our work. Okay guys, so this is the SAP screen, very familiar to you. SAP as for HANA. Now, where we have to go, our first task is basically what we are going to do. We are going to create a vendor. Remember, a vendor is a business partner that is going to supply you the material. Most of the time, they are supplying you the raw material. So, where we have to go? We have to go to Manage Business Partner Master Data, Materials Management, Manage Business Partner Master Data. Here, what we have to do, and in this step, basically, we have to enter a lot of data. So you have to click on to create and then organization, create organization. Now here what you have to do, you have to select FLV, FI vendor, that is FLVN00 in the BP role here. So what we do, we'll click here and search the vendor, and the vendor will be FLV N00, this one. So we select that option and then we have to click on go. So this one, select this one. Now what they are saying for the organization title, we'll select OK here, and in the organization title, we will enter the data. Here in the basic data, organization title, company, name, Midwest Supply, and then triple hash means you will replace it with your number. My number is 002. Then what we have to do, we have to put further details. In the business partner view, the basic data area, we are in the basic data area. What we have to enter, go to the address area, okay. And in the address area, what we have to do, we have to enter a lot of things here. So here, street we have to enter. Postal code 68528. City Lincoln. Capital small doesn't matter. Region is NE. Language is English. Definitely it will be somewhere down. Country is US. Then we have to go to identification tab. Okay. In the identification tab, we have to click on create. In the text number section, we have to enter US1 as text category. Okay guys, just ignore that previous one where I have clicked create on the identification section. In the identification section, we have to be in the text number, and here we have to click on create. And in the create text category, what we have to put? We have to put US1. Then the number we have to enter, the text category. Here in the text number 12-3456. Then triple hash means you will replace it with your number. I am replacing it with my number. Then I think we have missed search term option here. So that we have to enter. Maybe we'll go back here and find out where is the search term. Here is the language, English, that we have missed. And the search term option we have to enter. Let's see where. I think in the basic data here, search term. These things we have entered. Now where we have to go? We were basically here in the identification tab, and we have entered the text numbers and all these things. After that one, where we have to go? New company code screen. So where is the company code screen? Okay. So after entering all this, what we have to do? Now go back to the roles. Okay, so we will go back to the roles. And here they are saying create, click create, choose vendor FLVN01. So here we will create another one, FLVN01. Okay. And then what we have to do? Then click here. And here inside, what they are asking us to do, you can now maintain company code specific data. So we have to go to company codes, and in the company codes, your business partner in the role of the vendor, go to the company codes area and click create. So this is the company codes area, and we will click create. And here what we have to do, we have to put the company code US00. Capital small doesn't matter. Again, as I repeat. Then after entering all this, what they are saying, where we have to go. Switch to the finance tab. Okay. In the finance tab, what we have to do, we have to enter 3 and then so many zeros. Where? In the reconciliation account. Okay, that is after this one, payment data section, enter 0001 as payment terms. After that, select check double invoice. So there will be a check here, this one. You have to click on this one. And then let's check all the entries that are required that we have entered. Switch to the correspondence area. So go to the correspondence area. Here in the correspondence area, what they are saying, enter your name, learn dash, whatever you as a clerk ID, add supplier here. So I'm going to put my number. And basically each dash 002. After entering all this data and also your name is required or not? No. Only they are saying enter your user. Okay. Then they say that click on apply. Okay. After clicking on apply, back on the new business partner screen, go to purchasing organization. Okay. We are already there on purchasing organization. Then what we have to do, click create in the purchasing organization window in the purchasing organization field. So here is the purchasing organization option. Here we have to click on create. And here in the purchasing organization, we have to put US00. Then what else we have to enter? On the purchasing organization tab, enter USD as a order currency. So order currency, USD. After this one, payable immediately. Payment terms, payable immediately. Okay, that is, you have to select payable immediately, this one. Okay. Navigate to the partners function tab, and here what you have to do, click on create in the partner functions tab and enter the partner function VM. So in the partner functions tab, here this one, click on create, and when you click on create, you have to put VN for vendor. Okay, in the partner function, you have to click on VN here. Capital small doesn't matter. Then after clicking on this one, they say that click on apply. And once you click on apply, then they are saying click again, apply. Now this is the very important point. We have done the things that the data we have to enter. Now what is required? When I press create, there will be a vendor number generated that we have to note down. Bismillah. So you can see here This is a vendor number that has been generated. So we have to note down. You also have to note down this number on your data sheet. So for me, this number is, and by the way, for everyone, this number will be unique. This is a vendor number. Our first thing is done. Our first step is completed. That is related to creating a vendor. Now, the next step is what we have to click on. We have to create a material. By the way, when you are creating a material, it will not give you any new number. But what happens? It will create a material that you have to create and then remember which material you have created. By the way, here the data they have given, maybe I will give some different material number, because already material number may be created with the same details, so maybe it will not work. And already I have done this exercise several times, so already the material is created. So we can do little bit alteration in the nomenclature to create a material. But before that, what we have to do, we have to go out of this screen. We have to click on manage product master data. So again, let's go one more step back. Manage product master data. So when we do this, what happens? On the manage product master data screen, click create. And here what we have to do, in the create master data record dialog box, then appear, enter the product number CHLK1. CHLK1, and then triple hash will be replaced by the number. I am replacing it with my number. And the product trading goods. Product type will be trading goods. That is HAWA, this one. And then UTIL, product group. Again, we will go and find out UTIL, utilities. Then basic unit EA. After this one, we have to click on OK. Then on the general information tab, in the basic data section, enter accessories as division. So here we have to select accessories. Then in the description section, we have to go to the description section. Here they are saying you have to click on create. A line will be added. Okay. And here what you have to do in the description, enter the product chain lock. Chain lock. Then triple hash will be replaced with your number. I am replacing it with my number. Okay. So this is we have done. Now what they are saying, once you enter this, they are saying repeat this step. This time for language, you will select language English. Okay. So let's create one more. Here you are going to select a language. DE. And here you are going to put, they are saying that you have to put this data. That will be replaced with your number. Here language will be DE. And after entering this data, what you will do, you will press enter to confirm the entries. Then, now these are the two entries are there. Scroll down to the unit of measure section. What we do? And here in that unit of measure section, at the end of the line, the unit of measure EA is already there. Here, what you have to do? You have to click here. And when you click here, on the unit of measure screen on the dimensions tab page, enter 65.00 for the gross weight. 65. I'm not putting 0.00. It will take it automatically. And OZ as the unit. So where is the unit? Here. OZ. Then after this one, they say that click on apply. After clicking on apply, now go to the sales area and enter 0001 on pallets. Transportation group here 0001. Then now they are saying go to distribution chains area, and over there you have to click on create. So this is distribution chain. You have to click on create, and then on the distribution chain screen enter sales organization. The sales organization is UE00. And distribution channel is WH. And delivery point is MI00. Miami. After entering all this data in the group terms area, here, what you have to do? Put 0001 item group category. Then press enter. Say that after entering this 0001 here, you have to press enter. Okay, after that one, where we have to go? Go to sales tax area. And here in the sales tax area, choose tax classification, all 3 zeros. And after this one, click on apply. Back on the product screen, navigate to plants area. Here in the plants area, click create. Then click on create. After that one, on the plant screen in the general data section, enter MI00, MI00, and hand lift for loading group. Loading group here, hand lift. After entering all this data, go to purchasing area. And in the purchasing area, what they are saying, click N00 as purchasing group. After this one, what you have to do, go to MRP data area. And in MRP data area, what you have to enter? MRP type, that is PD. Then MRP controller 000, availability check 02 here, individual requirement. Then in the lot size data section, lot size data section may be down here somewhere, yes. What we have to enter? EX as the lot sizing procedure. Select EX. Then 10 as the minimum lot size. Minimum lot size. In the procurement section, for planned delivery time, procurement section definitely will be somewhere down here. Planned delivery time. How much it will be? 6 days. Procurement section here. Planned delivery time here. 6 days. After this one, storage location tab here. And in the storage location tab, what we have to enter? TG00 in the storage location field. But before that, there is nothing in the storage location. So what you have to do, you have to click on create. Make sure we are at the correct location. Storage, yeah, on the plant storage location, we have to be here. Here. Click on create. And in the storage location, what they are saying, put TG00. and then click on apply. On the product screen, navigate to valuation area. Valuation area. In the valuation area, now they are saying click create. So let's check. Yes, we are here in the valuation area. And in the valuation area, put MI00 as a valuation area. MI00. And then class is 3100. So valuation class 3100. After this one, enter 33.5 USD as inventory price. Inventory price is here. 33.5 inventory price. And ensure moving average price is selected. Moving average price, yes, is selected for the price control. Then they say that click on apply, and then you will click on create. Now when I will click here on create, only message will come material created. No new number will be generated because this is the material number that we have already given from the start of this step. You can see here what they are saying, potential duplicate exists. If I click create here again, let's see what happens. Master data record created. So they have created this master, material master that we required. Now the third step says we have to do some changes, some alterations in this material that we have just created. So what we are going to do? We are going to do the change material activity. So where we have to go? We have to go again to the manage product master data. First we will go out from here. Manage product master data. And here what we have to do? Enter your material number CHLK1 in the product field. CHLK1 and then my number, because it is like this. So by the way, this number we have created in our previous step. And then they say that once you click on this number, click on go. You will find your material here that you have created in the last step. What you are going to do now? Now they are saying once it is showing on the product screen, we'll select this one and we will go inside, and then they say that we have to do some edit. So we click on edit and they are saying we have to go to distribution chain area. Here, distribution chain area. And in the distribution chain area, in the general data screen, In the distribution chain area, what we need? We need to create one field. So we click on create. And here, what we have to do, we have to put sales organization UW00. Now this organization is different from the previous one. UE was for north, for east, and UW for west. Distribution channel is again WH. Delivery plant is SD00. So now the delivery plant is also changed. SD San Diego. And then in the grouping terms area, choose 0001 for the category. Which category? Item category group. Then in the sales text area, enter text classifications. Already there. Then click on apply. And then click on save. So we receive a message, master data record saved. What does it mean? Whatever the changes we want to do in the material, it's done now. Now this step number 4 is basically displaying the stock. So we can skip this step and directly go to step number 5. Step number 5 is basically create purchase requisition. So to do that create purchase requisition, what we have to do? First we have to go back from here. Create purchase requisition. And in the create purchase requisition, what we are going to do? We are going to click on create purchase requisition, create own item here. And here what is required? When we click on create own item, enter your material that you have created in step number 2. You will replace this triple hash with your number. I have replaced it with my number. Then $32 USD as valuation price. One is the price unit. Quantity requested 200. Here currency we have to enter USD. And the date you choose today in 3 months. So whatever is today's date, put after 3 months. So after 3 months means today is 26th September. So it will be 26th December. Then at the very end, enter the following message under the notes heading and on the item text tab page. So go down. Here item text. Here we have to enter some message. Now this message is basically you can copy paste from the exercise. I'm going to type it little bit because I cannot use that material here in the video. So global bike I and C, but you can just copy paste from your exercise. Formally requests quotations for the following material. Quotations will be accepted until, now which date they are telling us? First day of next month. So it means you can write the date here. First of next month will be October. And then what you do after entering all this data, you will click it on add to cart. Now what happened? You have one item available in your cart. What you do? You will click on view cart and you can see this situation is there. Now what we have to do here, after seeing all this, in the items area, click on the line of chain lock. So you will click here. To add some detail in the item detail view, enter N00. But for what you have to do, you have to go inside, I think. You have to go in by clicking here. And here what they are saying, you have to enter this some data. What is that data? You have to enter N00 as purchasing group. N00. Then purchasing organization, you have to enter US00. Then company code, also US00. And plant, you have to put MI00. And after this one, what you have to do, after entering all this data, you will click on save. Now you receive this message, the item is updated. Now you will go back one step by clicking here. And now they are saying you have to click on order. By the way, very careful, when you click on this order button, you will receive a number that you have to note down, that is our purchase requisition number. So you can see here is the number, purchase requisition number. One double zero 523. And before that, the material I have created was CHLK 1002. So this is how we created a purchase requisition. Now the next step, again it is showing manage stock. You can do the manage stock activity here. Then I'm just skipping this step because we are not going to do anything related to the manage stock. Let's go to the next step. What is this one? Create RFQ. What we do, we will create RFQ from the purchase requisition that we have just created. So let me just create this RFQ. Okay, I think this video is already a little bit long, so I'm going to stop here. So we have done till the purchase requisition, and we will use the same number to create the RFQs. So I will do the remaining things in the second video, or maybe we need to create three videos for this whole exercise. So I'm stopping here. If you like my video, just press like, subscribe my channel, tell your friends as well that these informative videos I am making for you guys, especially for my students who are taking MIS 348 course with me. And keep remember me in your prayers. Let's say goodbye. Inshallah, I will come with the new video. Thank you so much.